Okay, itong touch and go at saka itong words and all, ito pwede natin i-apply sa technology at saka sa manufacturing at saka sa business. Okay, kung gagawa tayo ng business correspondence o business letter or technical writing or in some form of documentation kahit sabihin mong research, touch and go is an idiom for being risky. So, kung ayaw mong gamitin yung risky, touch and go is risky. So, kung gagawin mo yan, may consequences na kasama. Kung baka may pitfalls o may trade-off. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng touch and go. So, hindi lang siya, iba kasi yung touch and go dun sa flight school eh. Yung touch and go sa flight school is maglalan ka, itatouch mo yung floor, then magte-take off ka. Ito hindi. Yung touch and go is an idiom applicable for business correspondence, business documentation, and research. So, kaya mong gumamit ng risky, which is some people view it as risky, but if you want it idiomatically expressed, touch and go yung gagamitin mo. And some experience in technical documents knew kung ano ibig sabihin ng touch and go. And yung warts and all. So, ibig sabihin, warts and all, tanggap mo yung flaws and imperfections nun. Yung flaws nun, yung errors nun, yung kulang nun, tanggap mo. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng warts and all. No, yun siya. Tingnan natin dahil sinulat natin eh. Warts and all includes all faults and flaws. So, ibig sabihin, kung may limitasyon yon, may fault yon, o may flaws, o may mali, or may limitasyon yon, tanggap mo. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng warts and all. So, sa painting, sa art, ginagamit din yun. Pero, gamitin na natin sa business yun. Kasi, yung parang sinasabi mo, you take the good with the bad. So, yun ang ibig sabihin, you take the good with the bad pag sinabi mo warts and all. So, hindi lang siya basta English idiom. It's applicable for any technical documents na pwede natin i-produce. So, yun lang po.